Assalamu alaikum students. In previous lecture we have discussed the concept this is, and today we are going to discuss the concept this is and this is. Students, this is and this is the usage of connector. Can you tell me what is connector? Students, we use connector to combine the two sentences that you can say this is a pencil and this is a book. This is a pencil and this is a book. If there are two same things that you can see over there, so we will say these are two pencils, these are two pencils, and here no need to use any connector. If there are two different things, so we can say, so we use here connector, that you can say this is a goat and this is a cow, and to write sentences about two different things we use connector. If we have talk about two same things, then we can say these are two pencils, these are two books, these are two houses, these are two fans, these are two rooms, these are two schools, and so no need to here to use any connector, and no need to write in different sentences. Students, to mention two different things in two different sentences, in one sentence we use and it explains the whole constructions this is and this is. Okay, now we are going to discuss some examples of this is and this is. Firstly, I will give you some examples of this is and this is. Okay, first example, I am telling you this is a door and this is a room, this is a book and this is a bag, this is a roof and this is a fan, this is a wall and this is a picture, this is a shop and this is a school, this is a room and this is a house, this is a hospital and this is a road, this is a shop and this is a school. Okay, here you can see over there are some examples of this is and this is. Okay, first example is here, this is a flower and this is a tree. Students, you can see over there are two different things. This is a flower and this is a tree. Here you can say that we have used connector here, we have used connector here. Next sentence, this is a bird and this is an aeroplane. Last sentence is this is a ship and this is a shop. Here you can see over there I have written some examples of this is and this is. Okay, first example is here, this is a book and this is a pen, this is a picture and this is a table, this is a house and this is a car, this is a cake and this is a knife, this is a roof and this is a fan. Students, once again I will tell you this is and this is the usage of connector. This is and this is the usage of connector. If there are two different things, so we use connector. If there are two different things, so we use connector. If there are two same things that you can see over there, so we will not here use connector and we will say these are two pencils, these are two pencils. And if there are two different things that you can say this is a pencil and this is a page, this is a pencil and this is a page. Okay, students, now you will make 4 sentences by your own self, and inshallah, okay students, see you soon in next video.